What's up, internet? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another System Shock video. Welcome back to another Reaction Shock. So today's Reaction Shock is to Stormzy's new song, Sound of the Skeng. Don't know if I pronounced that right, but this is Stormzy's brand new song. And I've not heard it. I do love Stormzy's music, by the way. I do love it. So let's... Oh, I Sound of the Skengs. What is Stormzy doing? Oh, he's in a Hawaiian shirt. He's in the Hawaiian shirt and shorts. With the socks and sliders.
Easy. And it's like 5 whole years on a circuit. Every single year I murk it. Every single year. I switch floors, they jerk it. I flip mode and reverse it. Told bro reimburse it. I just hope that it's worth it. Give me that, give me that. Cause if it's up a bitch ass nigga, I'ma make it look perfect. I'ma make it look perfect. Kai probably deserves it. See, old school might just splurges. Please don't let him resurface. They go the fastest, I go the furthest. And the nigga been the hardest. And I bun all my man might kick off your face, I'm worse. Man might leave with your babes, I'm burst. Man just bad up the place and murk. Then man lift up a waist, man skirt. You man ain't been entirely truthful. Have you? I know the truth can hurt. I know that I know my two hands work. I know that I know I do man dirt. Allow me again, this that. Sounds of the skeng, I move foul, my friends foul with a pen. Dogs start howling again, my dogs them are different. Nigga I miss the skeng, spot the difference. Big man,
me.
so please give a nigga some distance. Name a nigga that's this consistent. You man just love begging it too.
Oh, sorry, I'm still bottom to this. This is a jam, man. This literally is getting added to Spotify the minute I stop recording. But yeah, this is the video for today. This is when Thursday, I think, when Reaction Shocks will come out. I don't know. But I'm having issues trying to get the vlog. Having issues with my USB connector and all that. So vlogs at the minute are a no-go. I'll try to fix that issue, but until then, vlogs are no more. But so far, with the sound of Stormzy, Sound of Skeng, a dope ass track.
Too much, you man love the Americans too much. I do the most, but it's never been too much. Go coast to coast and I never get moved up facts. We talking racks, we talking plaques, all stats. I rude boy, you do the maths. I look chilly in the south, but I live in the sticks now. Really been about, but they think I'm a prick now. Got a little money and a couple of bricks now. Big for my boot, but it's funny it fits now. The sauce don't stick to my swag, it drips now. You niggas thought you were bad, you pissed now. Cause that boy got to the bag, you rich now. I hope you niggas know what it is now, but man might kick off your face, I'm worse. Man might leave with your babes, I'm burst. Man just bad.
I just love Stormzy's
videos. Lift up a waist, man skirt. You man ain't been entirely truthful, have you? I know the truth can hurt. I know that I know my two hands work. I know
oh, fuck yeah.
Allow me again, this that. Sounds of the skeng, I move foul, my friends foul with a pen. Dogs start howling again, my dogs them are different. Nigga I miss the skeng, spot the difference. Big Mike don't need no assistance, so please give a nigga some distance. Name a nigga that's this consistent. Name a nigga that's this on point. Froze, wrist on point. For the trolls, fist on point. Get your pose and your list on point. Wait there, little niggas wanna diss this joint. They're trying to figure out what is this joint. Me and Flipper come and flip this joint. My fist big like miss this joint. Little niggas can't hit this joint, and I knew it was a banger when I ripped this joint. Man talk dirt on my name, but the truth is
fucking holy shit, man.
Get in person, whipping excursion. My niggas whip this joint. Don't talk
yeah, so let's go.
Flips this joint. Real niggas gonna dig this joint, but man might get.
I'm still pumped. Oh, it's just a banger. This is just a banger, guys. I really do enjoy. Like, when I first heard Stormzy's music, I was just like a bit like, meh, this guy is just another rapper. But then he started saying shit that was just too, like, everybody, like, from where he, how do I put this without sounding like racist as fuck? Basically, he was making black people feel like they could say whatever the fuck they wanted, whatever the fuck they wanted to do with the music. He just wanted to make music people could relate to.
Face, I'm worse. Man might leave with your babes, I'm burst. Man just bad up the place and murk. Then man lift up a waist, man skirt. You man ain't been entirely truthful, have you? I know the truth can hurt. I know that I know my two hands work. I know that I know I do man dirt. So allow me again, this that. Sounds of the skeng, I move foul, my friends foul with a pen. Dogs start howling again, my dogs them are different. Nigga I miss the skeng, spot the difference. Big Mike don't need no assistance, so please give a nigga some distance. Name a nigga that's this consistent.
I just hope this beat. So that was sounds of the Skin from Stormzy. I started doing more music reactions nowadays, but I just saw this song dropped to it dropped 5 days ago, but I was too busy to react to it like 5 days ago, and I just want to react to it now. So yeah, by the way, I'm going to, so as you see this video will be uploaded today, Thursday. So will my Detroit Become Human playthrough. I need to thumbnail that and all that. But yeah, guys, thanks for watching this video. If you liked it, please smash a big fat thumbs up on this video. Comment below what you want me to react to next. And as always, guys. Oh wait, punch the bell icon so you know when the next time I upload is, and schedule coming soon. So like probably by Monday I'll have a schedule for me to release my videos. But yeah, guys, thanks for watching this video. If you liked it, I've already did all that, but guys, as always, stay strong, stay positive, and boom.